doing today, my YouTube family? Welcome back. Beautiful morning here. We got some weather moving in, so I'm going to start off with some firewood processing, and maybe later on in the afternoon we're going to jump over to the sawmill. I don't think firewood gets any more enjoyable than this right here, jumping from a processor to a sawmill, and maybe from the sawmill down to a wood shop. That is the woodman's dream, that's for sure. That is that wood guy's dream, and we're acquiring each piece step by step, and I am very proud to share it with you guys. Guess that's what happens when you get a sawmill, you start running low on firewood. So I'm using some of my campwood pine, milling up some beautiful stock for my project coming up, which you guys are going to see. So I'm going to get at it here and show you what this little machine is capable of. Absolute beautiful lumber, guys. It's adding up quick too. All from that scraggly looking pine. Turning into some decent lumber. And this is actually true dimensional lumber, 2x4 actually, so it is really nice stuff. Heck of a little tool. Absolute amazing. And I'm sure, my friends, it's gonna do just as good on hardwood too. I can't wait to bust out some of that white oak and run her down through there. It's a good day of milling if I've ever seen it. What a beautiful machine and some beautiful pine product that thing is producing. I think I'm getting close to my goal here. You guys are probably really, wheels are turning, wondering what's going on. Maybe seeing little pieces of it in the background as I was recording. The thing is just taking your time through them logs, letting the machine do the work, and just watching the product come out afterwards. What an excellent day. Beautiful harvest. I got quite a stack of 2x4s, 2x8s, and actual 2x4 and 2x8. So I'm really excited to work with this stuff. You guys go over and check out Chance Daily Hustle. Him and his son have started their own firewood channel, and I want to shout out to both of them for what an excellent job they're doing and what a beautiful business they're creating. So both of you guys keep up the good work, and if any of you that haven't seen that channel, make sure you go over there, Chance Daily Hustle, and check him out.